Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can easily convert your photos into a PDF. If you don't have any apps to convert your photos into PDF, you don't need to worry. Just go to your Google Chrome or any site, any searching site, search engine. Then you have to type PDF photos to PDF. After that, there's a on the top of the bar there is a website I love PDF appears. You have to open this website. After opening this website, you can see on the screen select GPG images. So you have to select the images that you want to make PDF. So I'm randomly collecting the backgrounds of different photos by BGs and selecting them 5 photos, and now you can see it becomes in a row like PDF. As you know, PDF file appears, you scroll and the new images and videos appear. So this is the basic PG files. All right, hope so you understand. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video and share the video. So stay tuned with me because this is an informative channel. You can get any information. So on the setting, touch on setting, you can set the patriot of your image if you want to vertical images or horizontal images, size of images, anything you want you can select from there. If you want to add border of your images or non border images, dot border images, you can select anything. This is the very useful website any person can easily use. After that, you have to select on convert. Now your photos are convert into PDF. You just have to download from PDF. So here you can see in the red bottom there's a written as download PDF. So you have to download PDF files into your iCloud or in your files or in your Gmails or Drive, anything you want. So you can just download it. After downloading, you can see how it appears. I just set randomly photos. I don't do any editing. So these are how PDF works. Hope so guys you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.